got absolutely nothing.
Pug after this. Are we up? We're up. We lost the sponsor, then we did affiliate funds. We did 500 to 11k. Raw balance affiliate funds. Now we're down to 7.4. Good first spin. Not bad.
Purple?
Not bad at all.
Purple? Purple, red?
Good first spin. What's the max win on this? 150,000. Oh, 250,000.
Yes.
This is raw? Yeah, it's from the affiliate funds.
It's a lot of VR headsets.
Green. Pink. Fuck me, heads!
Red.
Wait! Just give me a reach. Give me some dopamine.
Orange is in. Orange is in.
Please!
Come on.
Come on.
Drop it in, bitch.
Holy fuck, give me that re and we're rich. Re and we're rich.
Please.
Come on.
Fuck you. Purple's in.
I don't care, I want to read.
Yeah, it's just a save.
Wait, great for money back. Ooh.
Yep, these I'll save.
Imagine it reads next spin, just drops 3 scatters in. 10 more spins with this board. That'd be at least 5 bands.
Do something weird.
Imagine you give me a re last spin. Of course not.
Just give us money back.
Purple.
Purples.
God damn it.
Yeah, money back. Can't even get a double up on this shit.
Bro, $1,000 buys on Raw. Give me one good one. Oh, is it Linum? Sorry. Linum. Purple.
It's for us.
We are cooked.
It's fucked.
Wait! It's still
Yes.
ass, but give it to me.
Save us. Yeah, we're cooked.
I believe in it. I need one retrig.
Hello.
Yo, thank you, Lance. Sniffer. Take care, man. Thank you. I'll probably be stopping soon if we keep losing.
Line sniffer. That's Sim's ult.
Re. Just fucking re me. I don't care about the hits. Give me a re. Give me a re. What's bottom line? I don't know. You're probably 5. Give me a re. Give me a re. Give me a re. Give me a re. God damn it, bro. Can I get a retrig? Holy ass. Last one that I end on a puck, probably. Do you want super? Don't like super sided. Re. Re.
Gatters.
Fucking ass. Oh, we're cooked. That's a done.
Yep.
Yeah, we went like 500 affiliates to 5K. It's not bad. Very, very good actually. 10x on it. Very good. I won't be an idiot. 1K, bye. Chat, this loses, I'll call it. If this loses, I'll call it. Thank you guys for watching today. That was fun. Nice little end game with the affiliate funds. Had a blast. Chat, our luck. I had the dream of 100K, but you know, 5K is still nice. Right. 4.
Oh, sorry.
Pug. God damn. Purple, re, okay.
Wait. 20.
Rat. What's good, Dusan? How you doing, man? How you living? Nice to see you again. Yeah, Dusan, we lost the sponsor to balance in like an hour and a bit. So I used affiliate funds. Had 500 in Solana. We got up to 12K. We're down to 5K. I might end. Do you think I should end, Dusan, or should I keep going? Purple. Pug. Yeah, doubting this pug pie? Why would I not? Look at it. The fuck?
Awful. Damn. He said end, save it for tomorrow.
Chat stream yesterday, chat, but I was kind of fucked in the morning. It was, you know.
Fucking airboat.
1.2.
Hello?
I was in slip and sliding around a mudfest. Huh? One hit. Whoa.
You got headphones in?
Yeah. What's up, dude? Oh, sorry. My man. What's good, Bowser? What's good, Tizzy? Sorry, I was zoned out. What's good? Hi.
So.
Green, good. What the fuck? The tree got sick and died of starvation. Bro, let the tree live, man. I got this is a horrible setup. Bro, I just put it down. Like, wait.
Yeah, we can tell, bro. Look at it. But looks like it was fighting for its life.
Yo.
Looks like you just pushed it over.
Put it out of its misery.
Connect the 4 to 2. Connect the 4 to 2. How was Zero's fantastic too, Shark. Hope you had a good hope you're having a good new year and everything too. The tree bean man handles save the tree. Fine, I'll move the tree out the stream next time, bro. The tree took its life after realizing it was never seeing its star. Hello, Seg. Good morning to you, friend. How are you? Tree looked like it ate a fish fillet, bro. Fucking fillet of fish, but like a just different way, different provider. All right, let's do $1,000 in the random. Give me 9. Give me 9. Give me 9. 9. 9. 9. I mean 11 or 9. 4 scatter. 5 scatter. 4 scatter. Wait, 5 scatter. It's 11. 4. Okay, 9. Not bad. Not bad. Do the normal 7. You like the 7 scout? I'll do a 7 after this. Alright, come on. Come on. Cook. Cook. Terrible. That's the hit you want near the end. Okay, keep going. Still ass. Dude, the thing about this is like you really need massive multis, like 2000x. Like these lower ones just aren't gonna hit. Okay. Wait, how many spins we got? 4? This ain't bad. Hold on. Chat, who believes? Oh my god, let me click it, bro. Thank you.
TFO sold my parlay. Wait, he lost? Who'd he lose to? Ah, hit that. All right, 1000x. Hit. And bro, Pitchy's been going crazy. And we got fucked. Fuck it, let's do 7 free spins, $1,000. Last balance? No, we got 10k on Bitcoin. Yo, thank you, only on kick. Same to you, my friend. Same to you, same to you. Same to you, man. Yeah, chat, we got 10k on Bitcoin, so tonight might be a good night. We have a chance, but ETH got ripped on blackjack. Hello, Tina S208. Hits! Wheel. What's good, Lucchini? No way you blew another balance off rip. Yeah, but we got Bitcoin to 10k off rip, so like balances out. Dude, it was like a double on an 11 that fucked us and a split. Hello, Majestic. What's good, bro? Wheel, give me gun, give me gun, give me gun! Gun! Okay, chance! One more hit, one more! I'm 9 years clean today? Shut the fuck up, Poseidon, you are not.
It's got a new year every day, like, stop falling for it.